Happy Wednesday, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is December 3rd, 2025, Wednesday within the first week of Advent Year A. In the Gospel for today, from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 15, verses 29 to 37, I was deeply moved by the line of today's Gospel. It says, and actually it's on the last line of the Gospel, and it says, and they took up seven baskets full of broken pieces of leftover. I'd like to highlight that word leftover. This statement is more than a detail of a miracle because it is a powerful lesson about the sacredness of what remains. It speaks about the value of what others may consider worthless. In this act, Jesus shows us that nothing touched by God is ever to be discarded or to be thrown away. Every fragment of bread, every leftover piece carries His blessing and has the potential to bring life, the ability to bring healing and nourishment, of course, has the potential to bring blessing. Yet, in our modern world, we often act differently because we throw away what seems inconvenient, right? We throw away what is broken or what challenges us. We neglect relationships that requires effort, and sad to say, you know, we abandon our faith when we grow dry. And worst of all, we discard people as though they were disposable. The elderly, once, they are pillars of wisdom, are left alone in the senior's home. The unborn, the innocent, and the fragile are denied life because of the legalization of abortion. The vulnerable, the weak, the marginalized, the poor are treated as remnants rather than treasures. But the friends, Jesus calls us to do what He did, and that is to gather the leftovers, to honor, to preserve, and to cherish them. Because every broken piece, every discarded fragment, every life society considers insignificant is actually a sign of God's grace and providence. And when we care for them with love, we are actually participate in the miraculous work of God, turning what is small and broken